When North Panda meet each other, that's how Pandamic Nerdo is formed. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.
Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna prepare a quick breakfast. It won't even take 1 minute. I just heated up paratha, a leftover paratha. You can use bread, whatever you like for a base, and then you need to just spread little or more if you like chocolate. More chocolate and spread all over the paratha, and then you can even add some bananas or something, whatever you liked it in the paratha. But I just like the base one with the chocolate and a whipped cream. And I'm sorry. So okay, so let's spread some whipped cream. You can use any brand. I'm using a Debic brand. It really tastes good. It's very good for kids. They're gonna like it. In just a 5 minute, they're gonna finish it off. Just try it out, guys. You can even make a whipped cream at home if you have a whipping machine. So that's it. It's done. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you.